Privacy and security settings give you control over what your apps can access. Things like your data, location, camera, and microphone. You get to decide which app have permission to use that information, and you can change those choices anytime. Location data matters because a lot of apps want to know where you are, often for things like navigation, weather, or nearby suggestions. In this section, your iPad shows you every app that is asked for your location. You can turn location services off entirely, which means no app gets access at all, and anything that depends on location simply won't work. When turned on, you can manage permissions app by app, so each app only gets the level of access you're comfortable with. For each app, you get 3 permission options: never, ask next time, or while I share, and while using the app. It's a simple way to make sure apps only get the information they truly need. Never is a sort of default for apps you don't use location information in, like note-taking apps, for example. But for those apps that do rely on it, like Maps, you can share your location only while using the app, and choose how precise it is. Turning precise location on gives the app your exact location, which is helpful for navigation or anything that needs accuracy. Then for the rest of the apps, they don't need constant access unless you're constantly using their location features. So set those to ask you next time or when you share. Some apps have an option to always track you. I find those the most invasive because they access your location all the time, even when you're not actively using them in the background. But the good thing is, you can decide to give them that much level of access or limited, depending on what you prefer.